Di era digital ini, teknologi telah mengubah cara kita berinvestasi secara signifikan, menurut Dr. Nicholas Kokkalis dalam konferensinya. Ia memperkenalkan sebuah inovasi finansial yang mengizinkan individu memiliki sebagian kecil dari properti dan saham perusahaan besar, melanggar batasan investasi tradisional. Dengan memanfaatkan teknologi blockchain, investasi real estate telah mengalami perubahan besar. Aplikasi blockchain memungkinkan pembelian sebagian kecil properti dengan biaya lebih rendah, memungkinkan diversifikasi portofolio tanpa keharusan modal besar. Selain real estate, kepemilikan saham fraksional juga menjadi sorotan. Melalui platform seperti Pi, individu dapat memiliki sebagian kecil saham perusahaan terkenal tanpa memerlukan modal besar, meningkatkan aksesibilitas pasar saham bagi investor retail. Inovasi ini tidak hanya tentang investasi, tetapi juga tentang inklusi keuangan. Teknologi ini membuka peluang investasi bagi semua orang, meskipun tantangan aksesibilitas masih ada. Edukasi dan pemahaman risiko tetap penting dalam memanfaatkan teknologi ini untuk masa depan keuangan yang lebih inklusif.
So what will the apps platform look like? The apps platform will allow third-party developers to build applications that facilitate structured transactions using Pi. The apps platform can include both apps that are built within Pi network, called Pi apps, as well as external applications that are able to integrate Pi into their payment options, and we call those Pi payments. Pi apps will be hosted within the Pi interfaces, for example, similar to Facebook apps, Messenger apps, or WeChat mini programs. Some categories of potential Pi apps that can be hosted within the Pi interface include financial services apps for Pi. So these are applications that allow pioneers to access the emerging world of decentralized finance. And we've already spoken to developers building apps to allow people to own fractional pieces of real estate, as well as fractional shares in companies like Apple, Google, etc. We can have Pi social media apps. So this would be apps that allow pioneers to spend and earn Pi while engaging with high-quality content. We are especially interested in creating additions to the current chats system that curate for higher quality conversation. Another category is Pi marketplaces, and these would be apps that allow pioneers to exchange goods and services, similar to Amazon and Taobao for goods, and Upwork, Airbnb, and Uber for services. Also, Pi games.